विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. पणजेच्या लोकांच्यो आनी बिगर सरकारी संघटनांच्यो कागाळी आयले उपरांत कंपाल परेड ग्राउंडाचेर उघड्यार भुरग्या बाळां सयत आपलो संवसार मांडिल्ल्या त्या बिगर गोंयकारांक स्थलांतर करपा खातीर कारवाय केल्या. 4 दिसां भितर कंपाल ग्राउंडावेल्यान तांकां वचात म्हूण शिटकावणी दिल्या, अशें पणजे महापालिकेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी सांगलां. अर्डेक्सो खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनाली.
For some time I had just kept quiet. When the pressure started mounting from the people of Panji and the NGOs, I thought it was the right time to strike. Therefore, I spoke to the commissioner, to my honorable corporators, to my deputy commissioner, that we have to evict these people. And accordingly, we decided a date. I sent messages to all my honorable corporators, commissioner, ATO and deputy commissioner, and all my inspectors. We took 2-3 trucks and tried to evict them. It so happened that most of the people were not around because they had gone to Mapsa and Kurshoram for the carnival. They had come here to sell all the carnival caps and masks and other buntings. So it was easy for us to lift. There was only one couple in the end when we tried to evict them. She tried to put the kerosene on her body. I am told by inspectors that this is the 3rd time she is doing the same thing, trying to blackmail us. I told them, I'm giving you 4 days time, by the time you have to leave. I spoke to the Honorable MLA of Panjim, Mr. Siddharth Kunkalekar, to assist us in requesting the PI Panjim to deploy armed policemen at the parade ground round the clock. Now there was a meeting with the commissioner, my deputy commissioner, and I had the representative of 2-3 of the Lamanis who came on the top, and we have decided. I spoke to them. I said, see, are you leaving or not? They've assured that the moment they get the materials, the utensils and the clothes, they will leave by today evening and go to their hometown. I will officially write to the MLA and to the police and to the DG. They are all my good friends and they will support me in this cause, whether it's drug or whatever it is. Things have to stop. This is the capital city of Goa, and if we are going to do a smart city, I can't have Lamanis having bath in the parade ground and doing all sort of nuisances.